Welcome to the ports and shipping news from Visakhapatnam. Maritime sector is set to go through sweeping reforms. The Ministry of State for Ports and Shipping and Waterways hoped these changes will bring more. India and several Gulf countries recently began collaborating in the maritime sector, and such cooperation is expected to receive a shot in the arm with these reforms. We are working on the creation of a national port grid, the minister said, while unveiling the reforms. This will be a game changer in the Indian maritime sector, especially for bringing more investments. The text of legislations as a draft, he said, will bolster structured growth and sustained development of ports and ensure achieving these objectives on fast track base. It will result in revolutionary maritime reforms, transmitting the Indian maritime setup entirely in the time to come. The draft legislation will repeal and replace the absolute century old Indian Port Act 1908, which was enacted when India was under British rule. Once the new law is approved by Parliament, it will be called the Indian Port Act 2020. Among other things, it will constitute a maritime port regulatory authority, formulate a national port policy in consultation with the coastal states, maritime board across the country, and create adjudicatory tribunals to curb anti-competitive practices as well as ensure a speedy grievances and redressal mechanism. All these will enhance the concept of ease of doing business in the maritime sector through increased opportunities for investments in ports by removing barriers. Meanwhile, the Indian government invite bids to sell its 63.75% stake in Shipping Corporation of India SCI to private investors. The deadline for submitting bids for Indian rupee is 39.15 billion worth. Shipping Corporation of India owns and operates a third of India's total tonnage and has four joint ventures for transporting LNG. All these assets will be included in the sale. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.